Can I kiss? You have my lipstick on it. You have list. 你知道白话，你就说白话俺我写了吧？Everyone's laughing. 도체나. Yes. 도체나. Are you two flirting?
No, we're just talking.
Flirting 칙매다. I'm gonna have this. You wanna drink some?
No, I'm good.
For real? Or you wanna have some water? Or
the water is good.
Or you wanna try this one?
You can try that.
You can try that. Boom. Look at the color. Everything today is like blue. Like the coffee shop we went is blue. Destiny. Blue is our destiny. Amazing dance, right? It's really nice. I'm gonna try this one. I was looking for like a small bottle of the milk, but it's hard to.
You got it?
Yes. How you? I think. Oh.
Yeah, you have to be a little forceful with it.
Yeah. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. I like the bottle. Karo mari, rock. We've got a show tonight. What do you mean? What kind of show? Kari show. Very. Yes, because you are,
okay.
you are helping me and shit. You know. 捏没呗. Okay, you can guess what I'm saying. Okay.
Difficult.
Really? 뭐지腰疼是点啊？我写的好美，我写的么样啊？底下中美，가로 말이你肉不的。Are you two a couple?
You two a couple? Are we a couple?
Are we couple?
No.
Are we couple? Yeah? Are we couple?
A couple?
Yeah? You tell me, I don't know.
Shit, tell me.
I don't know. I don't know.
Shit. The vibe is there.
Are we? No.
Are we?
You are playing with me. You are playing with me.
Playing with you?
You are playing with me. Come on.
Oh, you my baby. Stop playing.
I don't know. Come on, you make me goosebumps, you know. 暧昧不清洒，有点微妙，怎么回事？对啊，就是很微妙啊，就是很微妙，但是就是没有什么那种 I don't know. People are saying, you see, everyone is saying
match. I see that.
Oh.
But it's one of the chat.
Okay. 眼神都拉丝，谁的眼神 ？Oh shit， 谁的眼神拉丝？谁眼神拉丝？写多？谁 ？I see something. Something what? 카리 통조. 아니니 Okay. 你也没让拉丝差多，没让俺拉丝差多的。They're saying the way you look at me is kinda. There's something, you know, says in your eyes.
What? Are we a couple?
Yeah.
But they don't believe me?
What? I don't know. Why would they? Because I didn't like make a announcement saying like, okay, we are a couple. You get me?
Just jump on the live.
Yeah. So, 我吗？当然哎 They're saying me. The way I look at you is kind of.
Oh yeah, you got.
No, I think no. You. It's you. The way you look at me, yeah. 你拉丝严重啥？没有，他拉丝才严重吧？没让多对的，没让米对的。You, the way you look at me is more crazy. No, I'm not saying crazy. Yeah, but like you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, they're saying like you are 50-50. You know. Yeah. He looks so cool. Yeah, he is.
What was it?
도체나. Yes. 도체나. Like thank you. 도체나 is more like so respect way. Like you know, like 도체나. Yeah, but if you wanna say like thanks, bro. Like you know, you can say, woyachi.
Woyachi.
Yeah, woyachi. Okay, say 道歉 I think it's better.
道歉啊。
Yeah, the way you say 我要去 is like you don't give a shit, you know, like 我要去。
我要去。
No.
How do I say it then?
Okay, 我要去like you know,
我
like
要去。
yeah.
我要去。
Yeah, something like this. 我要去。暧昧吗？到我们两个暧昧吗？Oh shit, no. 要我是老多啊，要我老多啊。
6, 7. Why is it 6, 7?
They think you are kids. 你也搞多少杯噻？搞多马里，搞多马里。
Milk.
切噻，不然个要现在接不多啊，要接不得。Okay, now the second thing is like say, wait, what do you want to learn?
There's a lot to learn, huh?
Yeah, there's a lot to learn. 姐，你男朋友听，不然你也搞多马里，不然你也搞多马里。搞多巧嘛的，搞多巧嘛的，你的肢体动作更生理的喜欢啥？大家意思，但这是吧 ，like they are saying the way I touch you is so.
In that way.
Is it? You tell me.
I don't know. I mean, it feels good.
Okay. Are you two flirting?
No, we're just talking.
Flirting 情咩哒，情咩哒。Looks like there's something between you two. What do you mean? 卡里多。哦，他是荷兰人，他是荷兰人。Like why your face looks so small? 我去之前他们对俺这些蹲的臀的不啦，一么着。I feel like I'm so in front. That's why my face is like so big.
Yeah, I'm all the way behind you.
Okay, now it's equal. 到耳朵。Yeah, I think it's unfair. Sit in front. We're gonna sit in front. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now it's good. Now it's good. They say remove your head. Why would I? 가르치자 샤무 비구래. Don't remove. Okay. Don't listen to them. They are asking something bad. Why? You are not the. Because I want to smoke. 가래도이바스. Yeah, we say just delay. Just delay if you write
Just
like
delay.
this. Yeah, it's just delay.
Just to let.
Yes. You're saying it's so right. 他有强迫症的吗？是马里。这个人是我没有给你们介绍，因为我怕我要买来，没有买来，顶最面叫顶人叫做那不一种，但老就钱就通，老就别钱就通是那不多啊，但顶最远叫买来，是让那个买的，肯定是那那你洗。没，他叫我家的起啦，但没科目数没有，做但是给你们科目数了没办？Messi or Ronaldo？
Say Messi.
Messi? Nice. 他说的真的很标准是啦，钥匙漏多少钱子？香水弄小瓶的了吗？还没有，囤多水没？Sorry, they're asking the perfume, so I'm gonna explain to them. Okay, yeah.
Sure.
莫让迪里荷兰人，他是荷兰人，他是在这边出生，在这边长大的荷兰人。啊？荷兰阿姆斯特丹荷兰。But you born in Amsterdam?
Yeah.
哦，他是在阿姆斯特丹出生的。So right now I'm mixing Chinese, English, Tibetan.
It's going so fast.
Yeah.
The Chinese and Tibetan is like you speak it a little different. Huh?
Right, yeah, you can hear, right? You can hear the difference. Yeah. Well, of course, it's two different things. Oh, do you have something here?
No.
Let me just. Come on, this is a pure joint.
But it's almost at the end.
Now you see, people who lives in Holland, bro, this thing is so.
People normally throw that.
I'm gonna smoke this. It's hard to find, it's a pure joint. If you mix with tobacco, yeah, maybe, but this one, you is a pure.
Yeah,
so it's always, you have, you see, that's what I'm saying. Yesterday you are just throwing, bro. It's, for us,
No, but
it's
it was
really hard.
It was actually done, though.
For real?
Yeah, it was actually done.
Okay. It's not like that, right? Okay, then it's fine. 不像本地人，像回族啥，你没见过本地人吗？They say you don't look like Dutch. I mean not Dutch, but like you don't look like
more like I'm not from here, you know.
Yeah.
People are talking Dutch.
Where? Oh yeah.
He's saying Messi is rational.
Oh, okay. You know how they say they use ChatGPT to translate. No, trust me, no one even here speak Dutch.
Or English.
Yeah.
Oh, they speak English.
白瓶和黑瓶有什么区别呀？啥？你乐瓜 Hold on, I'm gonna 1 minute. I'm gonna explain my perfume. Okay. Wait, because people they start like asking.
Oh, they wanna know.
Okay, there. Okay, you choose the black one, right?
Yeah.
Morange nakudi dams. He like this one. Morange nakudi dams. Morange 是 nakudi 什么新吧？3年前的第什么新吧？然后这个是前调是那种青苹果，然后很清香的那种味道，很清爽。fresh 差不多，低清爽差不多，低那罗木质差不多这个后调和中调都是木质的。第你个开吧。然后这个是浓香，这个是淡香。我这试一下，开吧，我这试一下。Okay, I put. Lesne Google, jala sam lesne Google da. Here, look, there's a card here, and this is my thing. You see my perfume and my bag as well.
Okay.
So people can just like.
Oh, you can buy it from here.
Yeah, they can buy from here. 我这试一下读错。我看他成么点加油 but he said. He like this one more. 没让点加油噻，没让点个，没让沉稳差不些难度，没让沉稳些，这个就很适合沉稳的那种，明白？第第仔细 ，OK， say one reason that you don't like this smell. Like why you choose this one? Why you choose this? This is so nice, no?
I think this one maybe because it's light, you know. And this one's more heavy.
Yeah. Bro, how do you know that? Did I tell you this? No, right? I didn't say that. Like, how do you know? How can you smell?
I don't know. I just like perfumes.
Damn, I mean, really, like your nose is like really nice. Yeah, this one, the one I'm explaining in Chinese, I said this is the strong one.
Yeah.
This is the light one. Yeah. But like even you can smell it and tell.
True.
就是莫然给有嘛嘞，什么东西他都能知道，这个是淡香的那个，然后这个是浓香。我这些小黄车是小样吗？姐姐不是小黄车的和这个一样是正装，千不千那有的100 milligram milliliter yeah. 那不的木质香，去最干。地区最干烟特不切，这个木质香，这个是更有层次感的那种香，去最干切。地区最腻 ，this one is like 2 hours, because this is light, so after 2 hours it's gonna get less, you know. This is like heavy one, so this one lasts for like 8 hours, yeah. 地区最干切，地区最腻。这下莫让给哈古给，他就是闻了一下，然后他说这个是更清爽的那个色，这个是更淡香色，这个是浓香色，我不知道他是怎么知道的。你冷没的？女生两个都是 ，this one is unisex, right? You can smell it's unisex. 普大泡米家必须单有的，普大泡米家必须单有的，而且要出去马上不要。And you cannot smoke here.
You can?
No, in your TikTok you can do whatever. You can drink, you can smoke, you can even smoke weed, you know. But here, if you smoke, they're gonna ban you.
Wow.
Yeah, and you cannot have even drink alcohol.
So you have to do it off camera.
Yeah, they're gonna ban you immediately. So you have to be really careful. Yeah.
They have bots and all that.
Yeah. 购物时只有淡香吗？原码的淡香和浓香，黑瓶是浓香，白瓶是淡香。你看药里读的，你看吃药里，然后你看你要选到黑瓶还是白瓶？What did you say？ 还有说脏话也会分号噻，是因为那里。And even you say like some bad words in Chinese, they're gonna recognize your words and you're gonna get banned. Yeah. It's really hard, you know. 老公差我妈的，老公差我妈的。What they're saying?
They say I know football, bro.
I know football. Like what? OG is like me.
Yeah, they're talking about me. So yeah is like you.
Oh, you. Okay. 哪个更适合直肠呀？撒直肠的话，两个都适合。如果这个淡，你觉得太淡，你可以多涂一点；然后如果你觉得这个浓了，你可以少涂一点，就是这样子。一木质起来，这个更沉稳一点。Yeah, I have the name on the box. This one is called Midnight Blackberry, but my another box is inside.
Himalaya.
Yeah, Himalaya. Yeah. 他是主播，他是我朋友。我让你揉吧。我是留学。所以生气了也憋住死呢啊！苏龙兰多。He looks really young. What is his age? Say you are 18.
How do you say it? 18?
Yeah, you're 18, right?
I'm 18.
我要在 game 说，就不就嘛。24. Damn, yeah. How do they know? 看这啥个叫？就是罗尼这戏里面看这 ，he looks like a liar.
Wow. You put that on me, man.
Why? 가르치자 고 주임시행에 있어요.
Why did you get 24 though?
Yeah, I'm shocked. I cannot guess your age though. 今天嘴唇画的好厚噻，有吗？真的吗？这是我平时画，不就是画这样子吗？马丽，你也搞着马丽。What is this? He looks like a bit.
Pedro from Chelsea.
You don't know? Are you gonna see?
Yeah, because I hear a lot of footballers that people say I look like.
对。这个很难猜吗？你是00后，你玩到一起的肯定是00后啊！啊，这个很难猜啊，这个就是很难猜啊。感觉你认识男明一般在22、23岁，对。
Not look like that.
Bro, who the fuck is saying that shit? Let me see. Now.
Maybe a different picture.
Is this guy?
Yeah,
I think it's this guy. It's not him, right? This guy? Nah. 잠민도 수 잡도사 잠민도 잡간짐도. No, you don't look like. 잠민도. Lesa 그도 용그래. 라사什么时候到？俺lesa 그도 용그래说的，之前就lesa 그도来的说的，之前就他们lesa等过的多的。lesa等过的。有什么？What's wrong?
It's the food.
问他喜欢的香水噻，香水lesa那估过的，lesa那估过的。Everyone is asking, are you my boyfriend? 现在拍的话，明天发，明天到或者后天到。那你个声音那是来的，谈的现在拍的话。What they're saying? Can you rap? Oh my god! 가르치자 레고요, 다 레고 뭐구다. 언니 단치로 내 자라뉴 레고 차고 셰비. Oh, they're asking who's your favorite singer? 最喜欢的说唱歌手，你也 guess 就，你也当过 guess 其他。Yeah, favorite rapper.
Favorite rapper.
Yeah.
It's tough, man. It's a lot of rappers. Say Kanye.
Kanye. Oh yeah, yesterday you said Kanye. Kanye West 噶选啥？但 Kanye West 超多哎。
Rap you bro for underground.
What is that? Bro, underground rap.
It's like underground rap. You know the song I was showing you yesterday?
Yeah.
Aggressive?
Yeah.
That's underground music.
Okay. 닝기 뭐라 닝기? Is he wearing contact lens? No.
Just hard.
No, why? And your eyes is like...
It's brown.
Yeah, it's not something, yeah. 吃新个去嘛呗，俺吃没得干鱼，没让吃没得干鱼噻。他喜欢那个，就是真的很少有人会喜欢这个妹妹，不是不喜欢哟，是如果这两个一起比的话，很少有人喜欢这个，很多人会更喜欢这个。一年没让吃没得干鱼噻，俺吃没得。It's like this. I choose this one, he choose this one. 没让木质的吃不行吧，三俺的吃不行吧。Playboy Cardi, bro. What do you say?
Just ignore it.
很稀罕暗杀，我们让写也不写那特别。
If I listen to Playboy Cardi,
Yeah,
some songs, yeah.
yeah, me too. Like I like his style more than his music. Yeah, maybe yeah, just one or two songs, and then I cannot keep on listening this.
Yeah. Big voice.
Like 为啥喜欢对龙小小明星嘛？哎，虽然但是他是我让给你们多哎，speak some Dutch。对，我们让他说荷兰语吧，让他说荷兰语。我觉得他说荷兰语的时候还挺性感的，不然我觉得荷兰语一点都不好听了呗。但他说的时候还挺性感的。OK，say something.
Hallo iedereen, ik kom uit Nederland. Dit
Ja.
is Amsterdam.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
You're saying welcome to Amsterdam, right?
Yeah, we're in Amsterdam.
We're in Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. 给你不是么多哎，多啊。问他爱不爱你，多年来的给真这种我不需要。OK， 我帮你问他吧，好不好？因为我真的不想知道他爱不爱我，无所谓，他不爱我也没事，爱我也没事嘛嘞。Oh, Juice WRLD. Yeah, we. 你当过 Juice WRLD 先年点评。Van Dyck, you know Van Dyck? Van Dyck. I don't know. Like they're saying, it's
A rapper?
范迪克是卡起来的，荷兰国家队卡起来的。I think he's like
Aesthetic?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know Van Dyck?
Aesthetic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know a guy whose name is Van Dyck.
Oh, Van Dijk.
Van Dyck.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
How could he Van Dyck? How could he?
They say I look like him.
卡起说 how could he? Oh yeah, he's a football player, right? Van Dyck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He scored a goal too. It's a World Cup.
他有你高吗？他有我高，他有我高。
Frank Ocean.
Dory says you speak Dutch is so sexy. Yeah, this is what I said. Yeah, I told you, right? Yeah, it sounds sexy from your mouth. 他人种是黑人，但是他比我白。我那 game 向他学我们呗。
So a lot of people are awake.
Yeah. 完了，我消息之后，这是谁啊 ？Do this like kill Mari. Okay, you see this thing, the red thing on it, the pink one. Okay.
Yeah.
They are my not manager, but like sometimes like when I cannot see the response, I mean like they gonna help me to reply.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like those people. But I think I have a lot of them, but like they're sleeping, So I think some of them, yeah, can. 比普琼帅，让他跳个顺拐舞，不要，为什么 ？Do you know how to dance the Brazil dance? Like I come can
Which one?
the Brazil dance, the Brazil dance.
I know one, but no.
You know the Brazil popular TikTok dance.
Yeah. I like with the hands like that.
Yeah. You know how to dance that?
Yeah.
Damn, I don't know. This is so hard for me. 新个月他会那个巴西顺拐，他会跳。在介绍管理员吗？哈哈对，我在介绍。本来准备洗个澡，结果一看椅子的时候坐在椅子上时，我控制不住自己撒。OK，这个。可对来说，到中间边那里撒了年。想看身材，谁的身材？他身材吗？可这是引起脚不讲过来噻，假发吗？啥没有啊 ？Oh look, they give the gift, you know right? The gift is 掏钱拿，老大姐吧，掏钱拿。You know Anneli Rap and Anneli Choppa? You know he do live stream and he said this. Yeah, he was like, thank you for the heart, yeah, and thank you for the they send the roses and they send like something else, like and there's a like gift. I think it's like elephant nose or something like this, and he starts like saying like making sound of elephants. Yeah, he's funny. 跳个舞顺拐撒，不要。No, after I said you are the dancer, they ask you to dance.
You want me to dance now?
Yeah. No, right? No, 没气。
I have to check my TikTok.
他特别像那种说唱的人噻。They say you look like a rapper.
Okay, good guess.
Okay, good guess. 没让俺来拖远的，怕得对么多，俺来拖远别说什么多。杜丽太明显了，你看他的眼睛里都有光噻，他有吗？求你了，他看我没有吗？俺全说同对子嘛，我的眼睛里没有光吗 ？They're saying the way I look at you is kind, you know. I don't know. Look at my suitcase, bro. It's like messy as a fuck. 眼明我那看出来，感觉眼睛都在分。他特别的高冷噻，不高冷，一点都不高冷，开差不多说的嘛。They're saying you're sleeping. They always say something that I said. 你那边没让你脚就别那边，独立让他在屏幕中间噻，我给他戴个帽子噻。Okay. They say you have to come in the middle like this. Okay, they say they're gonna wear you a hat, a gift. Okay, let's go. 赢大。哇，他欠哪？Oh yeah, she sent. You see, she sent this well. Yeah, she sent. 他欠哪？蓝山他欠哪？路过个光头家 Yes. 我让你说不对，这个小脏辫让他脱一下帽子。But your hair is not dressed, right? You just like make it. Did you make it by yourself?
No, my sister.
Nice. 快阿家也睡噻。Looks nice on you.
Thank you. 他欠哪
Like this one is easy, just like circle.
At the top you braid it.
Oh.
And then some way down you just twist.
Okay, nice.
So it's faster too.
Yeah. They said they wanna see your TikTok.
That's not TikTok. Moran TikTok 全部完了。Okay, show them. Yeah, okay. Moran TikTok delete. 这是他的羊抖，洋人的抖音，这是他的羊抖。然后你可以截图，全部都Moran TikTok 全部都你点不上我粉丝那么多。Yeah, I like the dance one, the dance video that you made. He's really cute. 他欠哪？一打开就出来了个顺拐三，我那这下他没有胡子更帅噻。Yes, they said like if you don't have a beard, you look much better. But I think with beard is really nice. Well, it depends. Everybody.
Yeah.
Different opinion.
Yeah. 他头发特别适合，但他们就这样子啊，这个不适合跟说唱没什么关系。他作为一个普通人，他要这样子，他也可以这样子，明白？Donk 嘛，donk 是出来。donk 是出来，好美。我觉得好看噻，朋友可以这样吗？朋友可以哪样？可以这样呀。这个发型叫啥？好，我们去打游戏的。Do you play any video games?
Yeah.
What video games?
Tekken.
Okay.
Yeah.
我让人家说又找了一个吗？噻，没有找。是，你怎么知道是我找了还是他找我呢？这介绍。有 rapper 的那种说不得合影，大家意思啊？对，没让他是 dancer，他不是 rapper。他我呢，当年嫁给他，不要给他，因此他唱你们多几遍。冒说一下看一下噻。Do you feel comfortable with remove your hat?
Yeah.
比如啥？各种肤色都尝试一遍吧。姐姐香水从哪发过吗？是热天是那古过的多的。
I really want to see my hair, huh?
天是那古过的。It depends on you. If you don't feel like it, it's fine. You don't have to do something that I ask. Wow, so cute. I like you like that.
You do?
Yeah. You have a cute forehead. Can I kiss? You have my lipstick
Oh,
on it. You have list. 你知道白话，你记不住白话俺我写了吧 ？Everyone's laughing. You never say my forehead is cute.
It is though.
You never, you see now you're copying me
No, I'm
again.
not copying.
Bro, come on, you're always copying. Like whatever I say, you're gonna repeat whatever I say.
Okay, but like, what if I say it later? Is it still copying?
Yeah, because I already had the idea.
But I can still say you're.
受不了，既然白话讲我给吧，好多人，这是长白的我给了白话讲我给吧。Like, do you think it's a problem if I kiss your forehead? They are saying like, wow, this is so crazy. Like, if I kiss your forehead and you know.
I think it's crazy.
Nothing's crazy, right? No.对。What the fuck? You see they're saying what the fuck? What did I just see? What the fuck? 他怎么脸红了？没有吧 ？Your face is red?
Is it?
No, it's not.
On my forehead.
Oh, let me. 懂啊？这里灯太亮了，眼睛受不了噻。五官很精致噻，对他的五官，他的鼻子没白。我看到他姐姐和哥哥照片，莫让他白米落花或没白。I'm saying like I saw your sister and brother picture. You guys looks like totally different. Yeah, so different. 别落花噻，磕到了噻。That's crazy. 眉毛和眼睛好看，这下我能认这么多。One more time of what? 再来一个more no. Why would I do this? 卡切切巧嘞。So you guys are a couple? Don't believe it. 眼光太高了，这个比普琼帅100倍。我呢哎，这普琼来自己多，都可来自己多哎。呢。He's really.
Oh damn.
Is he compliment?
I mean, I would say so, yes. Because he's assuming he doesn't know me. It's not a compliment.
It's not a compliment.
No.
No, right?
They're indirectly saying, you know, you're handsome. You're a handsome man.
Okay.
I feel that's the compliment.
Okay. They're saying you are a fucker.
It's also Elise. Who's Elise?
有点像绵羊哥噻，顶仔细，但是绵羊哥自过的。我让东区就想到 why your face is so small? Why when I'm doing like this, I feel like yeah.
From here, I have to sit really close.
Yes. Or should I do like this a little bit? Oh yeah, okay. If I do, yes. Now it's fair. I like it like this. Mura means that. Joshi Mura means that. Okay. They're gonna give you a Tibetan name. Is it okay?
Yeah.
这个means that. 这是君主 No. 슬로 에 먹어 노부산게 너무 어머 신나차라. This is so heavy. 먹어 민디 this 자기 차샤. They say like my treasure baby. Like my treasure baby. Isn't like so heavy this name. Right? It's beautiful but like it's I don't know. Only for my kid, maybe I'm gonna say like my treasure and baby. Like this is so heavy, you know the name.
One and you just put them together.
Yeah.
So
like a baby is like more heavy than a baby, which is like
it carries a lot
treasure.
of weight.
Yeah. 帕亚苏鲁阿布多吉这些什么猪草莓苏鲁 No. They're pressing a lot of name. 먹어. 민 약분제 제무도 方便面 디치 노부.
辫子哥，公个人金三这么话。No, everything he said is not a good name. 大娃王爷哎，么话？热吐死他嘞，朴素多吉。登记为谁？No. 跳马的克里克里三大，克里克里三大，苏没多，么话。名也不见不多，名这个场面也不见不多。No, it's not a good name.
You're not coming up with good names.
Yeah, 姑姑是呢。姑姑哎，卓别林为什么叫卓别林呢？看那。You like yak, right?
I mean, I've never eaten it, but
Yeah. What if your name is small yak?
Who?
Your name is small yak.
Small yak.
yak 不会名看嘞，yak 不会名了看啥？一个猪嘛啦，你看啥？你名看啥？皮什么看啥？不就不过皮什啦，yak 不会名看啥？一个穷哎，小牦牛哦，小牦牛怎么名字的？贝贝我贝贝，妈的贝贝是不就不的，皮是呗？不就不的，皮是那不就不嘛的？Nor 哦 Nor 了那个要多 Nor and Nor yeah I think that's a good name Nor isn't cute Nor it's like small yak we have a specific name for small yak and female yak and normal yak and wild yak we have like all the different names in Tibetan yak is just like generally name for the animal like yeah oh what Nor 了，那英文多哎，Nor。Yeah, I think it's a good.
Nor.
Nor, yeah, Nor. 阿的哎，No， 阿的那么要么多，Nor 那么要多哎，不是17岁，他不是17岁，他是How old are you?
24.
24，你这不起马了，你这不起嘞？诺不是诺很适合他，干脆叫诺吧噻，不要。诺能不能引进度 ？He looks like that's a lie. No,
55.
That's too crazy. No, I think I should ask him to sit outside with the grandpa, you know, and then he knows like
Yeah,
how does it looks like. Yeah. 光头强么我？感觉说到我们拉不前不那里 ，Can you show them your hands? Your hand is like so big. 都拉不起啦，so big. But I mean, if I look at your hand, yeah, 55 hand.
55 hand.
Yeah. Don't you think your hand is so big compared with your face?
I think it's okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. 老欠不欠他多啊？叫 Nor 啦 ，yes. Your name is Nor.
No.
I think it's a really nice name. Cute.
I like it.
Right? Yeah. 我那明年不是读我那 Nor。我让曾经我第一个写的不是亚的，这刚给写的不是，感觉他刚睡着的时候他不会睡着。我让就是他那些电影是被我的人 ，Nor yes, it's like Nor。读了以后开始那种眼神是打鼓起啦。They keep on saying I have the, I don't know, flirting eye。打鼓起，感觉 BB 适合他哎，打鼓起 ，BB 那么的暧昧擦到全不对。BB is not a good name. 如果能人这么多，如果能人这么多，怕家姑不，莫打明打叉，Nor 那边赢 ，they are still giving you name.
Still.
Yeah, all the way like. 他不动噻，对啊，他就是这样子，他在 relax. You are relaxing, right? You are chilling. They're saying like you feel bored and you know.
No, it's my stomach.
Your stomach is hurting.
Yeah, still.
Should I do something to your stomach?
Like what?
Like,
That's not gonna work.
It's gonna help. Trust me, it's gonna help.
No.
Yok Medusa. You're not bored, right? yok Medusa。他不是我男朋友，他是我朋友。好帅，托马斯。录住了不是？弄那么拧这么多哎，弄那么可爱差不多。你眼里都是你，reels可嘞，reels可嘞，一个猪更好噻，一个猪人家都 ，OK choose a name， 一个猪 or nor is the name for the baby of the yak. We have specific name, but 一个猪 is more like cute. Yak is like right the animal and 猪 is like the kid of the yak.
Oh, so like because the kid is cute.
Yeah. Yeah.
What was it? Yakcha?
一个猪。
Yakju.
一个猪 or nor？ 一个猪能不能引起我们的头？一个猪去啊 nor 去啊
You like which one you like?
？nor。
Nor? Yeah, I like Nor too.
No, you're copying me again.
I swear.
Bro, why you keep on being like this? Why you keep on like that? Case 那里 ，case 从昨天开始 ，case 那里 I have to tell them。case 那里你也看钱呢，没让你练对齐。你东亚机练不啦？没让东亚机练个嘞。你出去练不啦？没让出去练。你咖啡练不啦？没让咖啡练个。你卡的是呢？你卡的是呢？没让给我那会儿你卡的钱呢嘞？没让给打个啥去的？我说要喝橙汁，他说要喝橙汁。我说要喝奶昔，他说要喝奶昔。卡的钱呢嘞 ？Yes。你卡的钱呢？连队讲起个连队过吧？ You are really copying whatever I did.
No.
Yes.
Lies.
Yes. 连队过吧的，明到连队过吧啦，连队过吧 is your nickname.
Duba?
你连队过吧
What is that?
It's like you're copying whatever I did.
Oh, like.
Yeah, you are 连队过吧。
No. Nor.
好磕呀，太磕了噻，真的吗？你们好暧昧，真的吗 ？They say a lot of things going on between us.
Dangerous.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I can't look at you.
No, you can't.
Damn.
He is 荷兰人。Oh, you see, it's keep on gonna be like 700, 800 because right now it's like 2 a.m. in Tibet, you know.
It's pretty late.
Yeah. Kalma. Oh shit, they say like they're 隔对。My internet is not working properly. They say like it's lagging. They say it's lagging. Damn, I don't know what should I do. You see, I'm using the 5G.
Oh, yeah.
You see, everyone's saying lagging.
Yeah, this Wi-Fi is not. There's no Wi-Fi?
This good. Wait a little bit. You see the people is going down because of its lagging. 大隔度 Fuck, it's still lagging. 大计算 Okay, you see, this is Tibetan writing, and this is English, and this is Chinese. You can see, right? The three different languages. This is Tibetan. But you cannot type Tibetan here, like for the comments, you know. 大克里记住的，叫憨憨噻，莫名多年了，他为什么他不憨呀？为什么要给他这样子的名字？
We're not gonna answer that shit. Just one love. Don't ask this kind of shit. We're not gonna answer. OK。不卡了。就拜拜，冇个，录住嘛的一住。Nor is much cute. Nor。有点像演《加勒比海盗》里面那个人是吧？有一点，因为他是加勒比人，他的人种是加勒比人，人种露着祖先露着的，看最举着像他是加勒比人，对吧？他真的很乖，我觉得他真的是很乖的那种。They're saying you're so cute.
他真的。
都是越来越暧昧了，大喊的小人。真的好磕，你们是一对就好色，真的吗？真的我们俩磕吗？你是懂暧昧的，必须的呀，我是谁？没人懂穷啦。你长不出哎。They say we look like. How comes we look like?
Look like?
That's crazy.
I don't see it.
Yeah, we don't look like. How comes we do look like? 我开始我你我们让图画出的嘛，我这最米的大吧？你这啥？这最米的嘛大，人几米多？这都是人介绍，我都是这人介绍。Namzi， 但怎么可能像 Namzi？Namzi 长得可多大？大概下播了，我不会下播。
The rapper.
You know, right, Namzi? They say you look like Namzi. I don't think you guys looks totally different. Namzi is like too aggressive, right? His face looks aggressive. I'm not talking about like his music and shit. 有点夫妻相噻，大家意思。They say we look like a couple. We look like someone who had marriage, you know.
Oh, marriage?
I think this is too much. Like 甜甜的恋爱吧，杜丽，但我也想，但是跟他吗？尤其是那两个眉毛像，哎，眉骨差不多哎，没有吧 ？They say our eyebrows look like. Let me see. No.
I don't know how to see it.
No. 它差不多。And this one is so high, yeah. 你对他有好感吧？他是不是快乐？都是快拿下！但拿已经早就拿下了。Everyone is saying our eyebrow. Yeah, even there's another one saying. 你跟米不差不多呀，打故事啦。No. 都是给人撩红了，没有。They say you're red.
I'm red.
You're not. I'm just translating what they say. Damn. You know, drink some milk. Really?
Okay.
Is this good? But you know, lemon and milk, they're gonna have something chemical effect. You know that, right? Okay, I'm not gonna drink this. I wanna try that one, but okay, let's leave it for later.
I have to try this one cold though.
Did you try it?
Yeah, but it was
not good.
Nah, you need to have it cold.
Okay, I see. 加个新码的，鼻子一个模子抠出来的啥？大家意思啊？我那个做那个日语呢？They say our nose is totally same. How? Like how? 我让那个多大 ？Wait. Show your nose like this. 对。大第年那个这是多呀 ？How comes my nose is like this? 大找啊多哎，大还得找啊的，找多哎，大第年那个第年找啊多哎。都得找到自己，不是我的天命王子，一定不让要先那多。那个这么多啊，但米这么多，卡这么多，他卡哇这么多，白我来这么多，米不 ？No, because I'm looking at the eyebrow, because they say the eyebrows look same.
It doesn't look the same.
No, I like your eyebrow. Don't say that, no, bro.
I know you didn't hear me say.
No.
I like your eyes though.
No. Now you know how to trip. You are tripping right now. Now you know how to answer me. I like your eye. I like your eyes. I like your eyes.
I didn't stutter.
No. 对，你按着勒索啊！我让米过搞教育勒索你。I like your eyebrow 勒索，我让给蓝色。I like your eyebrow. 呀，怎么写没呗？You are copying me.
Why do you say no?
Mari.
Magic? Magic?
American boy, he's not American boy. What do you make of her? 我的感觉他挺日短。He likes that. You see, that's what I'm saying. You like that. Morange你们说啊？Morange搞不去。可以试试独立，大概通过去不呗？他通过你们的测试吗？我娘家人的测试，可以试试。你给他安排完了吗？哎，你后面的说，他后面说怎么了？必须通过。They said you passed the exam.
Pass the exam?
They're saying like, oh, let's be together. 让他跳个 drill. They say let you dance drill. No. You wanna dance drill right now? No, right? 没去现场么就没看来个我的哒。来个嘛就他应个你超市那去加拉伙大伙儿提着用不哒。me. You see, pass. Like pass exam. 东亚是的什么？东亚东西中文都啥都来么？我说 they say don't you are drinking alone. Let him drink some. You know they're saying. 东亚东是最灵个的，你也是东个乱面啥？去东个乱面啥 ？You wanna drink water? You can drink water if you want to.
Other water? There's only water.
Yeah, and we have the juice from yesterday. That's crazy. Or you can drink this one.
Let's drink water.
对方逐渐陷入佳境，人家都看不仔细噻，看不仔细出来。他真的挺甜的，完全通过哎，我呢。你给写对大这个差不多，我们俩真的很契合，没办法，你多听听这了对不对？差不多呢，我呢不是真的很有缘分吗？是没办？你们在一起住吗？没有，不在。他慢慢的被姐姐迷住了噻。他手上纹的是啥？哎 ，OK， they wanna see your tattoo。哦，你要挂，你点好的。Cause I'm thinking if you show your tattoo, you're gonna get banned.
For real?
Yeah, they're asking like what you wrote in here, you know. So I was about to show, but then I remember. 然后又说群居怎么说嘛的？群居姐，我的群居怎么说嘛？得了，算了吧。他搂你了是不是？没有啊。满眼都是彼此的恋爱，但过去我呢，哎 ，like， no， 绵羊哥是帽子哥吗？同一个人，马里恰马里，绵羊哥是绵羊哥，帽子哥是帽子哥。看着好平静啊，这哥们我这里。
You see that?
They're saying you look so like calm, you know, like relaxing and calm.
Yeah, I'm normally like this.
Yeah.
I don't like to be too loud, you know.
So am I so loud for you? No. Okay. 看看你们家的身高子，他比我高这么一点。Like who's taller? I mean you taller, but like how tall? Like are you? Like you're tall. You're much taller than me, or like I think it's like this much.
You wanna check?
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I like it. Now you're there. Come a little bit here. Stand straight. Like this. Yeah, you're gonna make it. Yeah, this much I think.
Yeah.
Like this much. How tall are you? 175, 178?
180, something like that.
180? I'm 170. How comes? I am 170.
Oh, 179 or something.
Okay.